Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel Intexture by A&K. In today's video we're going to talk about kitchen decor ideas. When it comes to minimal square footage to work with, our small kitchen ideas can help you maximize your space. Every detail is important, from the countertops to the appliances when you're working in a limited space. Even the tiniest kitchen can be attractive and functional if you keep scale and efficiency in mind. So, let's get started. Minimal distractions are very important when it comes to decorating your kitchen. Even a tiny kitchenette can be stylish. By sticking to small, portable appliances and simple shapes, you give the space a clean look. Incorporating open shelving on one cabinet and contrasting stainless steel on another, you can keep things interesting. When there's a window in a small kitchen, skip upper level shelving and take advantage of the window ledge instead. Using a colorful rug with a generously sized pattern as a focal point makes the overall impression cheerful rather than cramped. Make sure that you focus on mini flooring for maximum style. Any kitchen is perfect location for a small scale repeating tile floor. In this room, the bold black and white pattern is on a small scale that gives the room a larger feel. By using black handles on black cabinets, there is a flow and lack of clutter that might otherwise overwhelm this space. Choose open shelving on pale walls to open up the space and allow yourself to display small pieces of artwork. Also, a modified range hood that isn't low over the stove opens up the wall space and lightens the room. A pop of contrast goes a long way when it comes to a small kitchen. You can use any color cabinet in a small kitchen, but a muted blue is ideal for keeping things light, particularly combined with upper cabinets in white. Create unity by using bold hardware in rich gold that's also used on a pendant light. In a galley kitchen, the bold rug with warm contrasting colors adds dimension without clutter and highlights a beautiful wall feature like a dark wood pantry. Don't forget to go black, brown and bold with your kitchen decoration. When your kitchen decor includes warm woods with light countertops and walls, you need something to tie it all together. Accenting with touches of black, such as planters and hardware, give traditional wood cabinets a bit of flair. Use a boldly patterned rug to bring the white, black and wood tones together for a cohesive look that's long on style. Before we go any further with this video, if you want to support us, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. While decorating your kitchen, remember that scaling matters. Maximize your small kitchen space by scaling down your oven or stacking two smaller ones to take up less counter space. You can stick with white and stainless steel with just touches of color for a simple, timeless look. A small rug can visually stretch the space with strong horizontal lines. If you need additional space for tea towels and pot holders, install a sleek towel bar on an unused wall. If you think you can't put an island in a small kitchen, think again. Strategic placement of a small kitchen island can yield much needed counter space and define the room's parameters. A breakfast bar on one side adds both a prep and dining area. A traditional rug in creamy shades invites guests into the kitchen and unifies the island with the rest of the kitchen. Stellar simplicity is very important. When decorating a small kitchen, don't work too hard to create a focal point if there isn't one. Keep every element of the room simple and balanced. The white cabinets and wood accents create a graceful, understated space that's timeless. A soft, muted, abstract rug can also bring everything together without being too busy. Decorative elements are limited and in the same restful color palette. Make sure that you use the marble magic. While the wood cabinetry may be the star of a traditional kitchen, it's not the only thing that creates the rustic tone. There are natural materials all around the kitchen: the cabinets, the marble backsplash, mixed wood furniture and wood floors and so on. However, a look wouldn't be complete without the iron features in the handles, pulls and light fixtures. To tie together the rustic look in your kitchen, add in more natural elements than just wood. Think of your backsplash for one thing. If you go with simple wood and countertops, you can let your backsplash shine by having a marble texture. Then tie it all together with those iron features to make the space feel traditionally rustic. This is it for this video. If you liked the video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.